Revo.
Revolution.
Ange.
Huh?
Jack's here from Legend Brands. Today we're going to discuss the extremely compact, high-performance solution for moisture problems, the Revolution LGR Dehumidifier. When you consider its size, it's remarkable that the Revolution can dry up to 8,000 cubic feet and remove up to 17 gallons of water per day. It's rugged, compact, stackable, and equipped with advanced technology that adapts to any facility environment to drop humidity and moisture levels fast. And like all Dri-Eaz dehumidifiers, it's engineered and supported in the USA. First, let's talk onboard tech, which is almost identical to the larger units in our lineup. It features remote monitoring and control 24/7 using onboard Bluetooth and Wi-Fi with the Command Center Pro dashboard and mobile app. The Command Hub touchscreen displays real-time temperatures, relative humidity, grain depression, and drying progress trends at a glance. You get the same fast and convenient access to humidistat, job hours, maintenance reminders, and more. All right, time to get hands-on. I call it the small but mighty dehumidifier. It delivers large dehu performance, yet fits where others don't, like crawl spaces, bathrooms, kitchens. And with its stackable design, you can fit more units in the truck, saving time while increasing profit.
And Jax, don't forget to mention, Legend Brands has the industry-leading warranty.
We sure do.
And do you mind them? It's engineered and supported in the USA.
I sure did.
Shall we?
3, 2, 1.
Revolution.
Ange, it's revolution.
I still don't get it.
Legend Brands.